Angithi nihlaka zumkhonto nenzani
Sababa busa.
Belani manje nigijimi inkantolo Angithi nihlaka zumkhonto nenzani
Sababa busa.
Belani manje nigijimi inkantolo
Sanibonani, my name is Merin Kosi, election manager for the sub-region of Emalahleni. Today is the voting day, Laiwa 26 Namapai elections. We've got 4 VDs, 2 VDs are white dominated, 2 are blacks. We are hoping for the best. Ilahlile, comrades, Laiwa 26. In those 2 VDs, we are hoping, we have worked the ground. We are hoping ukuthi abantu bafuna utshintsho and lo tshintsho luzoza ne-MK.
Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane lo, the chairperson yeMpumalanga yomkhonto wesizwe. Namhlanje sila eGrill eWard 26 kwi-sub-region yeMalahleni kunama-by elections. Our candidate is Fiso Mhlanga and ngiphambi kwe-Ebenezer VD. Kunama VD i4, i-Ebenezer VD inama voters amaning more than 3,000. Therefore sigade umzila la and sithi siyayithatha le ward. So the other VDs Roman Catholic, a Grill High, and a Grill Park. Those ones now those nama numbers. So we are very much hopeful ukuthi namhlanje by 11 o'clock maqeda ukucounter siyayithatha le ward. Nathi nje sikankwe iGNU namasela around us. We hope ukuthi angeke baloko batshontsha babribe abantu. Kwaza
lo khulumayo usizwa kaMhlanga candidate lomkhonto wesizwe. So lana sizothatha ukhetho ngenkani. Sizolithatha ngenkani ngoba iANC iqalile ibathengela utshwala. Ifuna abantu ukuthi babavotele idlala ngabo kakhulu so thina siumkhonto sizimisela ukuzosiza abantu la eWard 26 eGrill. Buti into engayisho mina ngathini phezulu kwabahlali bendawo asithathe lento enabungozi tata mkhonto kwaza mkhonto kwaza.
Revolutionary greetings, servants and commanders, comrades in fact. It's Andile Ngwenya, the chairperson of regional chairperson of Nkangala under ATM. Thanks to all people, especially our grand forces of Umkhonto wesizwe and ATM, eWard 26. We know ukuthi sithethe leli ward, i-dedication yabantu abasizile, ne-availability yenu isenza sikhule soMkhonto. Le nto isiqalo sokuthi next year sothatha wonke ama-ward. Sibakhombisa khona la. Bonke abaseza uMkhonto uvulele wonke umuntu, ikhaya labo bonke abantu. And to all other abantu abanga-understand ukuthi uMkhonto ne-ATM bahlangene sinto eyi-one, si-alliance yomkhonto thina. If ever kukhankasa uMkhonto, i-ATM yonke ivotela uMkhonto. If ever i-ATM elonayo i-ballot sikhipha umuntu oyi-one. So abantu they must get used to that. Siyabonga kakhulu uMkhonto ukwazile and basifila and basaba. Peace in Holland.
So manje ma-comrade sizohlehla lana siyaphansi lena. Siyolanda abantu abazovota. Masibuya sibuya nabantu ezobafaka phakathi bazovota. So manje ingoma iyasha iyale phansi sihamba sonke. So yenza i-door to door silwanda abantu. Amandla. Awethu. Basithiwoza nkululeko.
Votela umkhonto wesizwe Yena bona umkhonto ngawubona
Sanibonani nonke sikulo daba futhi enilaziyo lama by election eMpumalanga eGrill lana eWard 26. Namhlanje usuku libalekile kula khona abahlali bakwazi ukuthi bakhethe kabusha, bakhethe umkhonto wesizwe ngoba umkhonto wesizwe kuyilona ithuba lomuntu omnyama noma isisekelo somuntu omnyama. Abantu abanyama bahluphekile, into zethu ihlakazekile, asinamnotho, asinalutho, sixakekile. So umkhonto kongakwazi ukuqoqa usizo lomuntu omnyama ukuthi si deliver on a better future and a prospect for umuntu omnyama. One of the voters uyangibuza manje ukuthi yini esizoyenza ke thina somkhonto wesizwe. siyachaza ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe wokuqala nje ukuthi uzobuyisa umhlaba kuyiyona yonke into umuntu omnyama wokuqala nokugcina umuntu omnyama ukubaleka phezulu kwalokho sizoqiniseka ukuthi masibamba umasipala masibamba amaward sobamba ngendlela ekuyiyona eqotho indlela esiza elethe insizakala emphakathini indlela futhi elwisana nalento enikhala ngayo kakhulu nine mining town yama labor brokers ngoba nithola umholo weni kahle nama benefits anatholi futhi so at a provincial national level we agenda yethu ukuthi rather ama mining houses lawo awaqashe direct enomnotho ukuthi awubuye back to government so izinto sumkhonto sesiyimisela ukuthi solekelela sizosiza sinikane ngethuba elihle ukuthi nawe kwazi ukuyimela nomndeni wakwazi ukuyimela
sila wa26 namhlanje because sifuna ukuzoshaya istem sokuthi ushilo uGwede Mantashe wathi amakhansela waka ANC akuna capacity dololo washo no president wayiconfirma ukuthi amakhansela weDA enza ngcono amakhansela eANC kufanele ahamba ayofunda kuma khansela weDA so size la sizothatha lo masipala because akuna service delivery la akuna lutho enzakalayo for abantu bethu bala kule ward so namhlanje singu MK umkhonto wesizwe sithi abantu bala kule ward abakuyeke ukuhlala ekhoneni bavele basho ukuthi sesikhathele ANC 20 years 30 years down the line solo sikhuluma into eyi1 there's no proper service delivery and isivumele yona ANC ukuthi ihlulekile
Gwaza mkhonto Gwaza siyawuthatha wo26 siyawuthatha amandla nayo ke indaba esinayo la ekhaya ukuthi siyazi ukuthi amandla ewethu mara kunento esingayisebenzisi yokusebenzisa lamandla esinawo ngoba if amandla sebantwini kulula kumuntu ukuthi ayothatha lento ephethwe ukhongolose sibuyise ngakumkhonto wesizwe into ezosinqobela iyodwa la ukuthi asiye lapha siyovota bese sibuye sithathe lo mshini siulethe ngakithi uthi uncamalala ecula athi ake nilethe umshini wami lo mshini siyawufuna ngoba lo mshini lo uphethwe ngabantu abarongo uma sizokwazi ukuthi sibuyise izwe lethu abantu bakwazi ukukhululeka ake nje ngikutshela into encane nje ongayibhekana ukukhomba ukuthi le ANC yasicindezela ubheke nje ukuthi uma kuqala uJanuary abantwana baye esikolweni ubheke istationery osithengayo ungumzali ukuthi singakanani mara ngalesikhathi saqala kusesele ANC leya esiyithembayo besingathengi istationery kepha manje sesithenga istationery so ngifuna ukuthi nje umphakathi wonke ake sisebenziseni amalungelo esinawo ukuze sikwazi ukuphumelela
sifuna ukuveza la abantu base wa26 they are aware ukuthi isibhedlela saseMalahleni asisebenzi abakwazi ukwenza abantu ama-operation abantu base wa26 bayazi ukuthi iMalahleni ibadlise amanzi angcolile for 6 years uMM waze wapida guilty bayazi bantu base wa26 bayazi ukuthi iANC has failed they cannot lead people bahlulekile their own president uthi ze abafundiswe yiDA thina sidinga iDA thina as uMK we gonna show them how to lead umasipala thina as MK asiphathanga amakhansela ngana capacity njengalawo wabangana capacity thina we are bringing ama councillors ane capacity thina ukhansela simlethe ebantwini une capacity siyenzila ama vetting wethu naye une capacity but base wa26 thembani iMK ukusukela manje moving forward ningasabheki kwenye organization this is the only liberation movement enisele nayo esilethele ubaba unqamalala umsholozi this is the only hope for umuntu omnyama
qinisela umuntu omkhonto qinisela kuyalunga comrades I'm honorable Thulani Shongwe ngizela eMpumalanga eWard 26 sizovota sizothatha iward la abantu bazodemonstrate khona ukuthi bakhathele iANC yalo baba lo bathi uRamaphosa lo nempumulo enkulu ogangayo othe achithwe noma ukuchithakale wena uzovotela umkhonto wena othi achithakale iintelligence why would a president take intelligence ayifake officeini lakhe wenzela ukuthi ama comrade ANC ahluleke ukusho nokuveza uvo lwabo ngaye that's why aba controller lula kanje ANC is so quiet you can't disband i-political task team edeploye uMkhwanazi edeploye eGauteng to arrest ama-political killings, to arrest ukubulawa kwabantu ematekisini. But as a president, you knew about it and SSA ayichithwe. So today we're going to demonstrate masiwina le vote ukuthi abantu bakhathele amanyala we-ANC. Kodwa masingani makukuthi benza lo bugebengu bokutshontsha amavote, asiyene empini makuliwa kuliwe. Dead man is a dead man.